Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Zaina, and today's video we're going to give these two nightstands a makeover. First, I start sanding my piece. Since the top coat was peeling, I'm using 220 sanding paper and my DEWALT sander. After that, I start cleaning using TSP Heavy Duty Cleaner. Then I'll clean it after that with some water so I can have a smooth, clean finish ready to be painted. But before the paint, I'm going to prime my piece using Zinsser Oil based primer to prevent any bleeding through the wood. With the primer, you can either prime with a roller or a brush. And for today's projects, we're choosing the Tillden Flourish mold and I'm grabbing my measuring cups to make the mold. And for that, we're going to use Amazing Resin. It's very fast and easy. Sunday Tea, the color that I chose for today, and Elegant Lace, the stencil for the drawers sides. And I don't want to forget the top, we're using Amiable roses for it. If you watch my previous videos, I always create molds for my pieces to add a little bit details to it. So with the Amazing Resin, it's very easy to use. All you have to do is pour the same measuring or the same quantity from both solutions into 1 cup. Mix it really good and pour it into your mold and just wait 10 minutes, 15 minutes and it will be ready. Sometimes you will have a little bit excess around the mold. You can easily remove it with your hand or use a cutter. Just be careful, don't cut your hands. To attach my mold to my pieces, I'm using E6000 Glue. For today's projects, we're going to use Sunday Tea Backcountry Chic paint. So for the legs, if you notice, the right one I primed it and the left one I didn't. I just want to show you the difference when you prime your pieces, how the color will show more natural, more clear, more like the exact color you purchased. I'm just applying my first coat. I'm gonna let it dry for a few hours, then I'll apply my second and final coat. And for the details, I'm going to use Brush and Paint. It's acrylic paint to pop all the details up. For the top, we're using Amiable roses. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. And the Decoupage Gel to apply the rice paper to my piece. After after I was done with the decoupage gel, I let it dry for half an hour. Then after that, I start adding the same color Sunday tea to the top and to the edges so I can blend the rice paper with the color. Elegant lace, what I'm going to use for the drawers to add a little bit cute details when my customer open their drawers. And after that, I want it to let everything dry. Then I'm going to give it a very light sanding so I can have a smooth finish. Of course, I used a water-based top coat to protect these two beautiful nightstands, and they were ready after that. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please let me know if you like this project and down in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks again.